guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing. This is April's Boxycharm box, the base box for April 2022. So we are going to be opening this up, seeing what is inside, testing out some of the products, seeing if I like them, if I'm excited about them, just all the fun stuff that we normally do every month with Boxycharm. So before we do get into all the fun stuff, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want to see me unbox the April Boxycharm box, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, I don't know why, but for some reason it feels like it's been like 3 months since I've done an unboxing of Boxycharm, even though it's only been 1 month. I'm just like, I feel like my head is all over the place and the months are just flying by, so bear with me. But this is April. I am so excited about this one. I think it's gonna be springy. Obviously, I don't know yet because I haven't peeked. I don't know what's inside, but I have a feeling it's gonna be something springy. I have already taken the seal off of it because I don't wanna make a mess, so I took it off, but I swear I did not peek inside. So now we're just gonna get into opening this up. As usual, you've got Hello Charmer and the Instagram handle and the hashtag. And then when you open it up, it's the hot pink Boxycharm logo. Let's see. It says Boxycharm Boxy Spring Revival. So as usual, I'm just gonna go from the top and read what's in this box, and we're gonna test out the products, all that fun stuff. So the first product that we have in here is from Elemis. It's the Superfood Matcha Eye Dew. This cooling eye gel with matcha, kiwi, honeydew, melon, and a prebiotic immediately quenches and hydrates the eye area throughout the day, helping to revive and refresh to give a healthy glow with or without makeup. This lightweight gel absorbs easily into skin to offer the perfect on-the-go solution for an eye area that feels wide awake. Goes for $39, so let's see where this is at. I love this like lime green packaging. It's very matcha. So it is an eye gel. I'm actually really excited about this because I love products that go on your under eyes. I feel like I have dry skin sometimes, and sometimes it could get more dry in this area. So anything to help hydrate that just gives me life. So you can never have too many eye products. But let's open this up and see what it is. Okay, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be in like a little pot, like how eye creams usually are, but this is like one of those squeezy ones, which I actually like because sometimes when I dip my fingers into like the little pots to put under my eyes, I'm like, how sanitary is this? At the same time, I'm like, do I care? It's just me. But then I'm like, I kind of do care, I kind of don't care. This is nice though, it's different. But I do want to swatch. Obviously I'm not going to put it under my eyes right now because I have makeup, but I do want to swatch on the back of my hand just so we can see like how it looks and feels. It has a green tint to it. This is really cute. Here's what it looks like. It's not watery. I would say it's definitely like a gel. And then just blending this out, I want to see if it is cooling. It actually is. It feels pretty cool on my hand. And it feels really watery too. It doesn't look watery, but it feels like water. It's really, really nice. And I feel like it really hydrated that little patch on the back of my hand. I have pretty dry hands right now, and I can just tell how much that hydrated that area right off the bat. Feels really good. Doesn't smell like anything, I would say, which I do like. It's 0.5 fluid ounces, so it's actually a good amount of product for $39. So I really can't complain. And the ingredients sound really good. Like I love kiwi, prebiotics, honeydew melon, matcha. Like that sounds like an interesting mix. So I'm excited to test this out when I don't have makeup on my eyes, just to see what it does and how it feels there. So I'll keep you guys posted on this one, but super exciting. I am really, really excited to try this one out. So good start to the box. Next up we have from Ather Beauty. This is a new brand to me. It's the Desert Sunset Palette. 10 shades in ultra matte shimmer, duochrome, and metallic finishes to create gorgeously glowing looks. Crystal charged pigment infused with amber powder helps to improve your glow by illuminating the skin with its light reflective properties. Formulated with organic coconut oil, shea butter, prickly pear seed oil, and moringa seed oil. Goes for $48. I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this is eyeshadow. Here it is. This is beautiful. You guys know how much I love peachy colors, so I'm very anxious to see what this looks like inside. Again, this was $48, so up there for a eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Just had something fall out. What is it? This is super cute. It's a little card. It just says, Ather Beauty, shed what doesn't serve you as the rose unveils its layers to reveal the heart, center of profound beauty. That's beautiful. Here's what the packaging is. This is super creative. I love this. Okay, taking it out. This is interesting. One thing I don't like right off the bat is that it doesn't have a mirror, and it's $48. It just looks like this on the inside. The colors are beautiful, but not like wowing me like I thought they would. Like the packaging is really beautiful, the description is really beautiful, but like just taking a first glance at it, it's not like, oh my god, I need this in my life, if you know what I mean. But maybe that'll change once I swatch them. But this is really, really beautiful. Oh, okay. Here, it says, hello beautiful, we have removed the mirror and magnets inside to be more sustainable. We strive to make the best sustainable choices in all of our products, and let's be real, you'll probably be using this palette in front of a mirror anyways. Okay, they're not wrong. Wow, that just humbled me so quick. That is so true. Like I always talk about how much I love having a mirror in these kinds of products, but I can't remember the last time I've actually used a mirror in like a palette. So that's so right. I take back everything I said. Anyways, by removing the mirror and magnets, it becomes fully recyclable, and we are saving this palette from going directly to the landfill. It's a win-win for both of you and our Mother Earth. Thanks for your love and understanding. Aw, that's actually really sweet. Okay, I don't need the mirror. I have one right in front of me. I have two mirrors right in front of me, so I'm gonna zip my mouth. I am gonna swatch these and I will be right back to give you guys my thoughts on it. Okay guys, I take it all back. I love this. These are so my kind of colors, and I was not expecting them to be as pigmented as they are. Like, these are really, really beautiful, and all colors that I see myself using like very, very often. Even these pinks, I feel like these hot pink colors are gonna be so nice in the summer. I love using pink products in the summer. And these browns are all like the nice warm shades of brown that I love to use on myself. So I take it all back. They all felt really smooth. I will say, like, the mattes felt a little bit scratchy, but then when you swatch them, they look really, really beautiful. I just want to take a little bit and see what it looks like when I blend it into my eye. So I'm just gonna do a quick little blend here into my crease, and then we'll do like a shimmery shade in the middle. I just want to see what it's doing for me. And I'm gonna take, I did this shade up here, and then I'm gonna take this shade right here, just in my eyelids, because I want to see. These are really, really beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness. I love it. Look at that. That's super pretty. They blend really nicely together. I feel like it looks super cute. I'm obsessed. I take back everything I said. I love everything about this. I'm gonna have to do some more research on this brand too, because right now I love everything it's about. So stay tuned. You guys will not be seeing the last of this. I really, really like that. Next is from CIATE London. It's the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. This could not have come to me at a better time. I have been needing a primer so bad because I'm like running out on every single one. So I really hope I like this one. It says, prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application with a cushiony texture. This primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish. Formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create a smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. Goes for $32. I'm ripping this open. I want to see what it's like because I love vitamin C primers. And like I said, I've been needing a new primer. So let me see what we're working with here. And I love CIATE London. So I hope I'm pronouncing that right, by the way. Here's what this looks like. This reminds me of Glam Glow, like the Glam Glow products. This like white on silver packaging, but I love it. So let's open this up and see what it's like on my hand. I'm sorry I'm going so fast. I'm just like so excited to try this. Okay, so it's white. It's like a creamy moisturizer when it comes off on your hand. It doesn't smell like anything. And it actually feels really good. It doesn't feel too much like a moisturizer. Like it has a nice little bit of stickiness to it, which I love in a primer. I feel like makeup just goes on better that way. And it has such a beautiful glow to it. Look at this. That's insane. This feels really, really nice. Like my skin is just glowing and it feels much more hydrated already. And like I said, that stickiness is exactly what I look for in a primer. I'm here for it. I like this a lot so far, but I can't give much of an opinion on it just yet because I haven't tried it with makeup on top. So I am going to test this out and I'll keep you guys posted, but right now I'm extremely excited about this and I'm really, really hoping I love it. So we'll see what happens. Next is from Ather Beauty by Addison Rae. It's the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. It says this flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara is packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil so your lashes can live longer. Live large. I don't know what's wrong with me. The unique micro wand and exclusive complex in the formula naturally enhance every single lash for 3 times the volume. And it's $15, which is actually really affordable for a mascara, I feel like. Here is what this packaging looks like. Oh, that's creative. All right, taking it out of here. And then obviously this is black. It's in the shade Midnight Mood. I actually really like how thin this is too. I'm not used to it, but I really, really like it. And then once you open this up, oh, it is like a really tiny applicator. I feel like this is like for your bottom lashes. Let's just test it out and see. I already have mascara on, but I guess we could just see what it does as another layer. I doubt it'll lengthen them that much with another mascara on top of it, or I mean underneath it, but I can't judge it too hard because I have mascara underneath it already, so I'm not expecting magic, but I don't know how much it's really doing. Feels good. It didn't make them clumpy, I will give it that. Like usually if I layer too many layers of mascara, this is the 3rd layer that I have on my eyes right now, and it's not clumpy at all. So that I really, really do like, but obviously I can't tell whether it lengthened anything because it's on top of more mascara, but so far so good. I feel like the idea of this like tiny little applicator is so weird to me, but I am gonna test this out and I'll keep you guys posted, but interesting concept. Stay tuned for that one. And then next is from Trust Fund Beauty, which is also brand new to me. It's the Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. I love lip oils so much. It's rough out there, but lips don't need to be. Take a minute for some sexy self-care with Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. Infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipsticks and lip liner when you want an ultra juicy look. Goes for $18. Let's see. I love the packaging. It's like black on gold with some green on the side. It's very, very cute. And I'm gonna use it on top of what I have on right now because I just have lip liner and lipstick on. So I wanna see what this does for us. Oh, this is cute. This like reminds me of when we used to like play with makeup when we were kids. Like I feel like I had something similar, but I love that look. I feel like that's coming back in style and I am all here for it. Let me try this on the back of my hand first, just to see what it is, and then I'm gonna try it on my lips. Okay, it feels really good. It's like oily without being oily. So like right here, if that makes sense. I really like that on the back of my hand, like it feels hydrating and it's not like sticky. So very important to me with lip products. I hate when stuff feels sticky on my lips. So let me see. Oh my god, that feels really good actually. It literally feels like a chapstick. I love it, but it looks like a lip gloss. So you get the best of both worlds. If you want to look like you're wearing lip gloss, but you want to feel like you're wearing chapstick, that is exactly what this feels like. Literally no stickiness at all. I love it. Obviously just a very first initial impression, but this feels really, really good and it looks perfect. It doesn't look thick on my lips, which I can't stand it when lip glosses look super thick. I feel like it doesn't look good on me. So this looks like a very thin but glossy kind of consistency, and I love this look. I feel like this is exactly what I've been looking for to get. So I just get the feeling right now that I'm gonna be using this like crazy. So I'm sorry if you see this a million times on my channel. I'm not sorry actually. If I love it, I'm very happy about it. So very excited about that one. That was all 5 though. Overall, I feel like this was such a good box. I feel like most of these brands were new to me, like that I haven't tried before. And I am so excited about everything. Like this is another one where like I'm excited for when I get off camera to actually try these and test them out and play around with them, because they are all new and I haven't tried them and they all sound very exciting. So I'm definitely gonna be playing with these and we'll see what happens with them. But that's it for my unboxing today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, comment and let me know what you thought about the products I got in my box. If you've tried any of these, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you've gotten in your box, if you get Boxycharm too, because I always want to know if we're box twins. So just tell me things. Say hello, give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next one.